Introducing the most fuel-efficient crossover, the Kia Niro.
Oh, come on! I need a hero!
Breaking news, a cargo ship that originally was set to reach San Diego changed course and crashed into the shores of Eureka, California. The ship was an InGen cargo vessel sent to pick up food for the creatures at their corresponding theme park Jurassic World. It is unclear how many casualties or injuries occurred due to the crash. We will continue bringing updates as new information becomes public.
Find your ultimate playground at Visit Cal.
This message has been authorized by the Department of Humboldt County. At 2:54 p.m., multiple mangled bodies were discovered within the Eureka community. It is unknown who or what is responsible for the attacks, but the trail of remains show that the one responsible is heading south. It is advised that residents of Eureka and the surrounding communities should remain inside until the threat is exterminated. Lock all doors and turn off any loud machinery. Remain calm and quiet until further notice or instructions are given.
In the audience, thank you for raising me to be the person I am today.
The attacks have continued throughout the afternoon, leading to more deaths and injuries. According to the authorities, claw and bite marks covering the bodies of the victims indicate that a large carnivorous animal is responsible for the attacks. The exact species responsible hasn't been specified, but the Department of Fish and Wildlife has been put on high alert and has sent multiple teams to capture or exterminate the animal. For the listed counties, remain indoors until further notice or instructions are given.
America's funniest home videos. And now, here he is, the host of our show.
This message has been authorized by the state of California. The creature has continued its killing spree while heading into Southern California, and the number of attacks has risen above 90, most of them being fatal. An eyewitness was able to take a photograph of the creature and send it into the local news. Here is that photo. From the photo, the animal appears to be between 10 and 15 feet tall and appears to be a theropod dinosaur. Bodies have also been discovered without claw and bite marks but instead had been impaled by poisonous quills. This confirms that this creature is highly poisonous. The state of California advises all citizens to evacuate the state if possible until this dangerous animal has been captured by the Department of Fish and Wildlife. For information during evacuation, ring a hand radio for more updates and information from this channel.
I don't know if you guys have seen the double terror. Have you seen it out there?
The world's strongest smart lock.
And my name is Clay Banks. I'm the COO of Haven. We're from Nashville.
At 10:31 p.m., the creature was reported to have been sighted in Santa Cruz. At 10:34, the creature was also sighted in Pismo Beach, a location almost 200 miles in distance from Santa Cruz. This confirms that there are multiple of these creatures. The state of California advises all citizens within the state to evacuate until the dangerous animals are captured, but if you are unable to evacuate, follow these precautions. Stay indoors. Turn off any lights, machines, or anything else that may give away your location. Do not look outside your windows, as these creatures have been reported to have effective eyesight. If you are outside and find yourself in the presence of this species, do not approach it. Do not stand still. Do not back away slowly. Run. Run as fast as you can to the nearest indoor shelter. Stay tuned to this station for more updates.
It's gone down in Shark Tank history. You will be memorialized
This is the
forever.
connected version.
We now return to our midnight movie marathon. Keep it here.
You couldn't just leave it alone, could you? Lucky me!
Sightings of the creatures have spread to nearby states such as Nevada and Arizona, and the number of attacks has risen to almost 200. Multiple reports claim that the creatures have been seen hiding the remains of their victims in high treetops, meaning they are probably extremely agile. California has declared a state of emergency, and the National Guard has been deployed to assist in the evacuation efforts. Nevada and Arizona have also begun the evacuation process. The President has authorized the use of military weaponry against these creatures, and multiple armed squadrons have been deployed throughout the state. This means that your residential area could become a dangerous war zone in a short amount of time. If you are in the states of California, Arizona, or Nevada, you are ordered to evacuate immediately. Only gather essential supplies, for time is crucial. Shelters will be provided for those who do not have a place to evacuate to. Stay tuned to this channel for more details.
Hey.
The dangerous creatures have continued to reproduce at an alarming rate and spread throughout the western United States. The military squadrons have proved to be ineffective against the animals. The death count has reached to almost 600. If you are currently within the states of California, Washington, Oregon, Arizona, Nevada, Utah, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, or New Mexico, you are highly advised to evacuate to the eastern side of the country, as the creatures have not reached this side of the country. The President is considering the use of stronger military weaponry to fight off the creatures. Stay tuned for further developments. weakness to the dangerous horde of creatures has been discovered. The animals become distracted at the sight of fire, explosions, or any extreme heat sources. The creatures will not respond to stimuli, including sound and pain, when distracted, leading to them to be engulfed by the flames and burnt to death. The military is setting up a series of controlled forest fires throughout the West to attract and kill the creatures. Remain out of the western states until all threats have been eliminated and the all clear has been given. Stay tuned for more updates.
This place, I wanted to show them something that wasn't an illusion. Something that was real. Something that they could see and touch.